Hey, I'm Gareth from Park Cameras. Today we're going to be looking at this, the brand new Lumix TZ95. Now this is a pocket-sized travel camera with a really impressive 30 times zoom on it. So the focal range is 24 to 720 millimeters, and it's using a Leica DC f3.3 to 6.4 lens. Now let's just let that sink in for a moment, because that's a particularly impressive focal range, giving you a lot of room to shoot wide and get landscape shots, and then punch in for closer shots, and then punch in again and again and again, right up to 720 millimeters. Now it has a 20.3 megapixel sensor, and you actually get really nice images. They're sharp, they're detailed. I was actually really impressed by the stuff we were getting out of this camera. Now it can also shoot up to 10 frames per second when shooting in continuous mode, or you can use the 4K photo mode to capture up to 30 frames a second. And there's also the post-focus and focus stacking features that are really interesting to play around with. Now in terms of video, it'll shoot 4K at up to 30 frames a second. It'll also shoot Full HD 1080p at up to 60 frames a second. And you can get slow motion 120 frames a second at 720p. Now, it's also possible to shoot it up to 240 frames a second in standard definition, but to be completely honest, I can't imagine many people are going to be doing that. Now in terms of the body itself, this is obviously a compact camera, the clue is in the name, and it's nice and small. It's absolutely been designed so you can just pick it up, pop it in your bag when you're going out, and not think too much about it. Everything has been designed with this in mind, but even so, the camera actually feels solid in the hands. The buttons, the controls, they're all surprisingly ergonomic. Now I have big hands, and even though this camera is small, I found the ergonomics of it actually really nice. It's a tiltable touchscreen as well, that actually tilts the whole way, so you can see yourself for selfies or for vlogging, which is a nice touch. Now ultimately this camera is just a really lovely compact camera. It's perfect for travel or as an everyday camera. It covers a lot of bases with the incredible focal range. It's just a very easy camera to use. The usability has obviously been thought about a lot, and it shows. It's been great for anyone who's into photography but doesn't want to carry around a big heavy DSLR or even a mirrorless camera. They just want something they can take out in their bag or really even in a pocket. Now if you have any questions at all, pop them down in the comments below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.